Hello, so today we're playing Block Plus, and this is a cake mod, and I really like it. Oh, why did I erase that? I don't know. Okay, nice. It's kinda hot in here. I will only do a... I'm not though. If you guys are wondering, I could do a face reveal. I will only do a face reveal if I had 7 million subscribers. Comment what's your favorite color. And you can also join my community and join my Discord server. I don't even know how to make a server. So, oh yeah, baby. Favorite game? Such a big Not my voice. I don't even know why I named myself. Okay, that's the final word. And this is what we're gonna put. I don't know how many that is, but it's kinda hot, so yes. I think you guys already know that I'm Filipina. Yes, I am a girl. Oh my, oh my gosh. This video is only 3 minutes long. I don't know if this is gonna be a short or a big. I don't know. Yes, I changed my real voice. It's not my real voice, my spare voice. And if you recognize what my voice is, well, I don't know. Wait, oh my god. Oh no. Weapon. Such a pet. Why am I being a lion? By the way, have you got your girl